They'll be here in a minute and you'll see all the reasons why there are tractors to buy. They've got everything from A to Z. You'll see all the features you'd ask for, and there's more, so much more that we could say.
Here is style and aesthetic, far ahead of the rest, and economy all the way.
They've got power to spare in their engines, hydraulics to match every need.
We shifted the gears, found out EV was dear. No wonder that Deere keeps the lead.
There are brand new tractors a coming. What a wonderful sight for you to see. They're the greatest yet, and don't you forget, they've got everything from A to Z. Great new tractors to feast your eyes on. They'll be cheering them everywhere. There are brand new shapes on today's horizon. A brand new sound is in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 big cylinders, count 'em 6, the 40-10, the mighty 6. The 40-10, the mighty 6. 6 big cylinders, count 'em 6. Big capacity, yes indeed. 80 horsepower, all you need to tackle the biggest job, do it with ease. 80 horsepower, if you please. A 40-10, and plenty of a zone. 80 horsepower, what's it a zone?
The all-new 4010. The all-new 6-cylinder tractor with 80 horsepower. The big boy with the big muscles for the big jobs.
Again, 3 engine choices. Diesel, gasoline, LP gas.
A new generation of power is rolling off the assembly lines. A generation of completely new power that offers a brand new range of tractor performance. In this new line are sizes, models, and fuel types to match every possible requirement. The largest row crop tractor ever built by John Deere is the new 80 horsepower 4010. Its brand new 6-cylinder engine can be had in gas, diesel, and LP gas models. High crop and standard as well as row crop models are available in this power size. It's the tractor for the man with large acreage, for the man who wants big power to handle big capacity equipment. The new John Deere engines are an outstanding engineering achievement, not just another 4 or 6. These new engines are in a class by themselves because of the variable speed control feature. The operator can pick an exact speed for any operation. On plowing, he can work the tractor in a low gear at higher engine RPM for greater power in tough going, or in a higher gear at reduced engine RPM for greater fuel savings in lighter soils. Rotary hoeing or other light jobs can be handled in the faster gears at part throttle with considerable fuel savings and no sacrifice in performance. Precision cultivating and other jobs like transplanting can be performed as slow as 1.5 miles per hour by using lower gears at minimum throttle. Combined with the new multi-speed transmission, new John Deere engines provide an infinite number of speed and power combinations to meet exacting requirements. Here are the details. The hand throttle provides control from 600 revolutions per minute to 2,200 revolutions per minute. Working range is between 1,500 and 2,200 RPM. A stop is provided at 1,900 RPM. the normal speed for most operations, and proper speed for PTO and belt pulley operation. With the convenient foot throttle, you can obtain 2,500 RPM for top transporting speed of nearly 20 miles per hour. With the hand throttle at 600 RPM, the foot throttle can be used to obtain any engine speed between 600 RPM and 2,500 RPM. Teaming up with the new variable speed engines is the new Synchro Range transmission, a constant mesh transmission that provides 8 forward selections and 3 reverse. The wide range of selections combined with the variable speed of the engine gives you performance such as you've never known.
There's the 3010, Jim.
Hi, George.
Hi.
Who's this with you?
Hitchhiker I picked up on the way in.
Hi, Jim.
Hi.
I was hoping you'd come in today.
I hardly had my breakfast down. He started honking in my driveway. I told him he had to come see that cutaway tractor you've got on display. He's been bragging so much about his 4010, I thought I'd see if he was telling the truth.
Well, if George was talking quality and performance, that cutaway will back him 100%. Come on, let's have a look. See, everything's right out in the open. You can see it's heavy duty all the way.
My 4010's the most powerful, most versatile tractor I've ever had. I use it for everything, from heavy tillage to pulling wagons.
That's the beauty of the variable speed engine.
What kind of an engine?
Variable speed, Jim. You see, this engine delivers fully governed power from 600 to 2,500 engine RPM. And that is the widest range on any tractor. The working range is from 1,500 to 2,200 RPM, and every point in between. The engine speed for the rated PTO speed is 1,900. At any throttle setting, this engine performs with efficiency and economy. There's no power waste, and that means more dollar savings for you.
It sounds logical. What makes a variable speed engine?
A number of features are musts for this type engine. First, an extremely sensitive governor, like this one, which responds immediately to any change in load or any movement of the throttle lever. Cooling is important too. All John Deere engines have replaceable wet-type sleeves, which ensure good heat dissipation and proper operating temperature. On this 6-cylinder 4010, these 2 thermostats assure proper warm-up and maintain correct operating temperature of all 6 cylinders. Let me show you something on the other side of this cutaway. A prime feature is free breathing. This large intake manifold assures free breathing of the engine. The large exhaust manifold gets the burned gases out fast.
Wow, the size of that crankshaft.
Not just the size, Jim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 main bearings, plus a heavy engine block webbing, which provides a bedrock foundation for the crankshaft. And here is the Synchro Range transmission.
Jim, it's an 8-speed transmission.
That's not quite right, George. It has 8 forward gear selections. Combined with a variable speed engine, you can get any desired speed up to nearly 20 miles an hour. You'll find a combination of power and speed for every job on your farm.
George tells me this is a constant mesh transmission. Is there any advantage in that?
Certainly. You never have to move gears. You just shift locking collars. This means faster, easier shifting. The synchronizers provide both on-the-go shifting in each of the 4 gear ranges, plus 3 reverse selections.
Jim, I found that on-the-go shifting really useful. You can start a heavy load, then shift up to fast transport speed by merely depressing the clutch and shifting. I've seen that direction reverser at work on Hank Miller's place. You know, it's great for loading manure. Just shift from forward to reverse.
That's right, Jim. This transmission also provides a positive park position, which holds the tractor for parking on inclines or holding it to belt work.